Alright. Oh, here we got a rim. Now, I've been having a slow leak, so I'm going to change the valve over here. So I have this little valve thing here. Let's see. If I remember correctly. I think it's easier, since we got the tire off, we could just cut this backside off. Let me go get a little cutter. And then this screws on here. Well, the angle's a little tricky. Okay, anyways, let me go get a cutter and we'll cut that off. Okay guys, so I have my cutter here. So, whoa, let's go ahead and cut this off. Okay guys, so kind of just bend it and you could screw this puller thing on. Then once you screw it on, you just go ahead and wiggle it out. There it is. Okay, so we got the old one out. And if you live in Japan, I recommend going to Astro Pro for your tools and parts. So I got a whole bag of these for like $5 instead of one for $5. Okay, take off the glove here. Okay, so we got a brand new one, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and clean that up. Looks like there's some old rubber stuff in there. Clean that up a little bit. Go ahead and use some of my soap since it's here. Okay. Looks nice and clean. So we have our new valve here. So this is going to go in like that. Then we're going to use the same method and pull it in to this line here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and give this a little soap too. Put that in there. And I got this little thing at Astro Pro 2. Okay, and kind of just pull that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and maybe just display it. Should just be able to pull that in a little bit. It's a little tricky with the angle. Hopefully you guys can see that. Use your feet. Okay. You guys can hear that, right? That went in. Perfect. And you just unscrew that. Okay, let's inspect. Looks like it's in good. And this side, it's already got the valve stem in there. Okay, so put the cap on and we go fill it up later. It's on there. Okay, so since we have the rim off, let's give it a wipe down. I mean the wheel off.